Hey guys, Brett Stewart here from Walkinshaw Performance Formula Tech Dyno Centre. We're here on the Formula Tech Will Pass Wednesday, currently developing a brand new VF Commodore. There was no record, so we made one, and we're currently running the world record 1050 with a 6-speed automatic at 131 mile an hour. It is a Harrop 2300 on it. It's got a full DeFilippo system. We're running 411 diff gears in it with currently the standard 6-speed automatic in there. 1050 first pass at 131 mile an hour. We'll see how we go for the rest of the night.